cool new feature is that you can apply a spatial scene to almost any photo on your iPhone. Let me show you exactly how to do that. Now, the first thing we need to do on your iPhone is to make sure it's fully updated because this is a fairly new feature. So we're going to tap on the Settings app on your iPhone, then General, and then Software Update. And make sure you update to the latest version. It's currently iOS 26.5. And after you've done that, let's hop out of here and create that spatial scene in the Photos app. So tap on the Photos app and navigate to a photo. It usually works well if there's a subject and a background that is separated. So let's tap on this image of my son and create that spatial scene. You'll see at the top right under those three dots is a little image to the right, and I can tap on it to create that spatial scene. Now, after I've done that, you can tell that it worked because if I start moving my iPhone around, you'll see that the background moves separately from the foreground or the subject. Another cool thing is that you can add this photo as a spatial scene to your wallpaper. To do that, tap on Share, and then just tap on Use as Wallpaper. From here, you can see the same photo right here and the spatial scene icon. I can tap on it to create that spatial scene. And now when I move my iPhone around, again, the background moves separately from the foreground, giving it sort of a three-dimensional view. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around and watching these videos. It means a lot to me and helps me to be able to grow these videos and the channel to create more content for you.